Hello everyone, Nancy here. Today we will do impression scan. Want to know how to get impression scan with Sang 3D GS300? Just follow up me. When we fix the impression on the turntable, look at the view window on the bottom left of the software. Make sure the whole impression can be seen there. Now we get all data well captured. We need to delete useless data. Try our best to keep the teeth part. Please don't forget to change the value of filling denoise to 7 or 8 before meshing. Why? As with this value, the software wouldn't fill the hole. This is very important. After mesh, we get the real data of the impression, but it is not good for real use and design. What should we do next? The last and also most important step is to invert the normals of the impression. Want to know more? Please contact me directly.